Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick review, swatch, and tutorial on the Pat McGrath Labs Lust Lip Gloss in the particular shade Aphrodisiac. Now this retails for $28 for 0.15 ounces of product, and I personally purchased my lip gloss from Sephora, which you can also purchase yours from the Pat McGrath website as well. The applicator is definitely easy to work with. It's flat and angled and perfect size for your lips in my opinion. The packaging is always luxurious and simple, simplistic beauty in my opinion. And for reference, I have dry to normal skin, I have medium to tan olive skin, so the Aphrodisiac mid-tone peach shade on my skin tone is perfection for that pinkier nude, which is my personal favorite. And I did do a review on one of their other high shine finish shades, which is Flesh Fantasy, which is more of a brown undertone. If you want to look at that video or watch that, it is in the description box down below. And also did a lot of looks with this Aphrodisiac on my Instagram, which is also down below in the description box. But I also did want to mention that this is a high shine finish. They do have glitter finish and shimmer finish also available in different shades, which I haven't got to try yet. But if you do want to see me try those out, go ahead and comment down below. Check out my other playlists. Let me know anything you want me to swatch for you, and if you have the same skin tone or anything like that. But that was my video, guys. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.